Hey guys, welcome to WordPress tips and tricks videos. Today, we will show you how you can easily set a limit to your WordPress site login and prevent brute force hackers from breaking into your site. Before we begin, just to mention that brute force hacking is a hacking method that continuously tries to log into your site by trying a random username and password algorithm from the hacker. Ever since it's there, hackers always try to use it on any new site they see. So, if you can prevent their hacking attempt by somehow limiting how many times a person can get the name and pass wrong at a single session, then you can easily prevent the million times the hacker tries random combinations to hack your login access. Anyway, let's proceed. As WordPress doesn't provide any native setting, that can limit login attempts. You are to rely on a WordPress plugin or custom configuration to do that. As custom config requires advanced coding knowledge, we will go for a solution that's easy and reliable for all of us. To start, in your WordPress dashboard, hover over the Plugins menu and select the Add New option from there. This is the plugin navigator. Type Limit Login Attempts in the search field and pick up the first plugin you see here. Limit Login Attempts Reloaded is a very easy-to-use login attempts limiter plugin that you can use mostly for free. Once activated, the plugin will show up at the bottom part of the dashboard side panel. Click on it, and you will enter its dashboard panel. The first thing the plugin will ask is to provide an email, where it will send failed login attempt notifications. This is to help you track the log quickly. There's another pop-up saying to upgrade to premium, but the free version does enough job, so just close it. Now, the dashboard shows you some stats on the number of failed login attempts. Scrolling down, you can see stats for different countries, and the numbers are great. Now go into the Settings tab. Here, you can customize the GDPR compliance settings and message. Then set an email and failed attempt count for notification. When you scroll all the way down, you will find the lockout settings. Here, you can determine the number of login attempts at once, the amount of time for lockout in minutes, the maximum lockout time due to a certain number of failed attempt lockouts, and the retry reset hours. Let's make a change to suit our site and just save settings. The page will refresh. After Settings, there is a Logs tab where you can see the records of failed login attempts. Also here, you can add IP addresses for SafeList and DenyList in order to customize who you want to have outside of lockup and who stays inside. Skipping the other tabs, you might want to check out the Premium tab to find out about the detailed protection methods offered by the premium version of this plugin. Now, let's go back to the dashboard. We will log out from this session and attempt to log in with an incorrect password. Notice that as soon as we entered the wrong credentials, the login form is throwing an error with the number of login attempts remaining for my IP address. If we exhaust all attempts, we are banned from submitting the form for 10 minutes. Now, even if we enter the correct credential, we can't log in. This is how you can easily prevent brute force attacks on your website and stay secure. That's the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow our channel to get more tips and tricks videos. See you soon.